we're going to explore the unexplored hanging coffins. Holy Madaling araw pa lang ay bumiyahe na kami para pagdating namin ng umaga ay nakarating na kami sa Mountain Province.
Here we are in Sagada, Philippines. Now to get here is no easy task. We had to literally take the Philippines' most dangerous road where many people have died on just to get to this spot where we are really high up in the mountain.
Stop whining. It is insane. We are still alive. I have not thrown up yet.
In the rainy season, a lot of landslides can happen, and the road is slippery and right on the edge of a cliff.
Slang is always ready. Even though he's slumped, his hand is still on the camera. You know he is a good vlogger and filmmaker if he's sleeping with his hand on the camera. That's pretty impressive. As I do the same.
Makalipas ang ilang oras na biyahe na mahigit 4 to 6 hours na tuloy-tuloy na biyahe ay sa wakas ay nakarating na kami sa pag-iistayan namin.
And here we are.
Can I ask you something? Are you wasting my time? You're 20-something and I'm out of my mind.
Kinagabihan sa parehas na araw dahil bukas ng umaga pa kami mag-e-explore ay may mas malupit na nangyari at ito yun.
What is that? What is what?
Okay. Look, bro.
What the is that? Get that out.
Holy fucking out of this bro.
It's big, bro.
We have the window open. We're going to sleep because obviously we're gonna, see the coffins tomorrow. We have a tour guide. We have our window open. This huge moth comes right in here, goes right over me, right there. Dude, it is massive.
I think it is a bat, bro.
I thought it was
Yeah.
I thought, what the fuck is that?
Dahil naiinis na ako sa paulit-ulit nilang reaksyon, tinapid ko man lang yung butterfly para lumipad sa kanila.
Get out! Get out!
Open the door!
It's a moth.
Wow, look how big he is.
Yeah.
Insane.
Good morning, Sagada.
Ito si Kuya at siya ang magiging tour guide namin para malibot ang mga unexplored na coffins na matatagpuan lang sa mga masusukal na kagubatan.
How long will it take to get there from here?
Depends.
At sinimulan na namin babain yung kagubatan. At mas mahaba pa dito yung kailangan namin lakarin para lang maakyat yung mga coffins na nandirito. Kailangan din tabasin ni Kuya yung mga halaman para magkaroon kami ng sarili namin daan. At ito yung unang kuweba na papasukin namin.
Kasi yun lang ang tinatapakan ko.
Yung tinatapakan ko ay talaga nakakatakot. Anytime pwede itong masira.
Yes.
Yeah. Taas dyan, guys.
Ito yung unang mga coffins na nakita namin na nandirito at pinaniniwalaan na lagpas 100 taon na mula noong mailagay ang mga ito rito.
Kind of just crumpled up to what it is now. But look how this like is made. It really is just a pure log cut from a tree and just carved on the inside and just stuck together. Clearly though, look at that. Oh, yeah, I seen that.
Dahil sa sobrang tagal na nito dito, yung ibang mga buto ay nakakalat na sa sahig.
Very ancient for sure.
Maya, bababa na kami dito. Videoan lang nila.
Pagkatapos nilang i-video ay bumaba na kami para puntahan naman ang iba pang mga coffins. Maling galaw mo lang, malapit ka na malaglag.
Wait, so what did you just say? Basically, the start. Just the start. Yeah. What was that? That'd be a good big. Bro, Halfway hiking, barefoot.
Lalim dito.
No. George?
Punta naman kami sa ibang kuweba.
Let's see the croc man do that. Oh, easy. Easy.
Yeah.
Oh man, first time seeing this. I've only ever seen this in movies, but not this one. These are ancient. Oh,
At ito naman yung ibang mga coffins na pinuntahan namin.
Like we believe that's where we came from, or that's where we're coming back. Like reincarnation. Because here we are animism. Yeah, we believe that every living thing has an spirit. So that's why we hang them, because we believe that their spirits will be free. One more thing is we don't want to carry the earth. We want the earth to carry us. Yeah. Rather than burying 6 feet under the ground is like totally darkness. And it's heavy to carry. Yeah. For that one that is hanged, you can still breathe fresh air. Wow.
Crocs lang sa kanal.
All around talaga yung crocs ko kahit saan laban yan.
Uy, may polar bear. Maliit pa. Polar bear.
Hindi madali itong sinusuong namin dahil konting mali mo lang, pwede kang malaglag at pababa kami dito sa napakataas na to at napakalalim.
Just slipped.
oh, you almost fell? Uh-oh.
Oh, may tubig dito dati. May tubig dyan dati, guys. Ngayon wala na. Kakaingal pa. Kasi high altitude to eh. Dito nag-training si Pacquiao eh. You know, di ba yan? Saka ko. Dito namin sa kuweba. Yan, pasakin namin yan.
At ito naman yung pangalawang kuweba na napuntahan namin.
Pasok na kami dyan.
Fuel for adventure! Kita dito sa loob ng kuweba na pinong-pino talaga yung buhangin dahil pinaniniwalaan na dati itong sakop ng katubigan.
Buhangin talaga guys. Pang ano to eh, sa dagat. Kaya sabi nila, million years ago daw, Sagada daw is pinaniniwalaan daw nila na ang Sagada ay at ang buong Pilipinas ay nakalubog sa dagat. Ayan, nakita niyo yung Pilipinas? Yan ang Pilipinas. That's a Philippine geography. Look at that.
At nagpatuloy na kami sa paglalakbay dahil marami pa at malayo pa ang aming pupuntahan.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going there, bro. Kind of messed up. Whoa!
Just kidding. Oh.
What is all that, though?
Spider web.
Why? Why is there so many? We're in their city, yeah. We're gonna have to get out of here quick. Yeah?
I get one.
What do you mean? I'm like looking at his.
Wait, I'm gonna catch one.
Oh, get out of here! Get out of here!
Oh. Too many, bro. Oh. Yun din. So, punong-puno. You want this, right?
This is what we needed, bro. I'm on a diet now. This is it.
This is the start of your exercise, bro.
Yep. I needed this in my life.
Yeah.
They were like in between trees. No, rocks. They're in between rocks.
Alam nyo, ang Sagada ay galing sa word na sagad, which means sagad na. Sagad sa pasensya mo. Kapagod dito. Tapos wala na, oh. Oh, langit na. Nakasagad ng bundok na to, kaya sagad talaga.
Dito sa inakyat namin, dito muna kami huminto para makapagpahinga at uminom ng mga tubig. At tuloy na ulit sa paglalakbay. Sa totoo lang, itong experience na to, yung talagang nakapagpa near-death experience. Ah?
Look at this. Oh, bro, you could literally fall right here and die. Oh, don't fall.
Yeah, bro.
Or it's literally near death dead. Okay.
No.
Oh, holy holy
This could have been your death for real. He caused a little avalanche, almost fell into you. You would have felt it really fine.
down there.
Now I'm scared of Sling doing stupid stops.
Oh! What the? Are you good, bro?
I'm good.
Holy! They see you, bro.
Oh my god. So I fell from up here and I fell all the way down here. And there's a dot, my lens actually came off the camera and somehow flew off. I don't know how. Guys, never it was crazy. I'm really laughing at it. That's so funny. Yo,
Oh shit, taas wala nito.
Yeah, what do you Because I
slipped right there.
Dude, this was all steps. All the steps are gone. All my weight just pushed the steps on. Shoot, fucking slid, bro.
Hindi pa yung niwala.
Too crazy.
You better this extreme, huh? Ito, extreme. This is the most extreme place I've ever went in my life. Wag lang sa cave nangyayari yun, pare. Wag sa cave nangyayari yun. Mahirap yun. Ayun talaga na ways to, heaven.
At ito naman yung susunod namin na challenge, kung paano kami makakatawid dito sa matataas na bato na ito. Kaya gumawa muna si Kuya ng pansamantalang tulay na pwede namin daanan at lapakan para makatawid kami.
If you're watching on Zark's thing, we're crossing this path that George made us. When you come over here, you can see that he made us another path to get across the other side.
Look at this.
Wow, you can step on that one. That's good, it has a spring.
This?
Yes, you step on it.
Oh my god, that was it! But you had your hands on the rocks, so you're good.
After namin makatawid, meron na naman panibagong pagsubok. At ito yung mga bato na tinawid namin. Almost 15 feet yung ilalim niyan. Sunod niyan, kailangan naman namin tawirin to.
Dahil ako ulit. Step lang yung ganyan.
Hindi madali itong ginagawa namin kasi anytime, pwede kami malaglag. Pagkadating namin dito, para kami nakakita ng isang tunay na paraiso na balot ng kalikasan. Dito kami nagpahinga at nag-set up ng bonfire dahil malamig sa lugar na to at tuloy ulit sa paglalakbay.
Para El Nido.
Kapit ka lang, Mars, malapit nang matapos.
Nakay nga rin ha. Hindi biro yun ha.
Sabi joke yun.
Sagad na. Sasagada.
Sagad na ako, guys.
Ano ba yun? Po, kay ano po kami, dito po kay Kuya Bilabil po. Ano po? Sila, sa wakas, ito na yun.